Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for the US dollar index for Wednesday, June the 8th, 2011. Well, the market continues in the downtrend. The previous day's candle, we had a candle that made a lower high and a lower low, quite a bearish day, very large red-bodied candle with the bears in control. Today, we've had a candle that's made a lower high but a higher low, and in bar chart terms, that's an inside day. It's a green-bodied candle, so we have seen a change in the short-term sentiment in the market, where we had quite a large red-bodied candle, the bears in control today. The bulls have taken control of this market for this trading day. Now, the bulls have actually managed to close the market up towards the high, and this is very close to being, in bar chart terms, a short-term reversal pattern called a hook reversal, and that's where we have an inside day and the market opens towards the low and closes towards the high. And it's a potential reversal because the bulls have taken control on the trading day, and we have a prior downtrend. So we've had change of sentiment of the short-term dynamics, supply and demand in this market. Now, in candlestick terms, this is also a potential change of trend, and it's a harami pattern. It's a potential reversal, and that's where we have a previous bearish candle in a downtrend, and the current candle is engulfed by the body of the previous candle. The body of today's candle is completely within the body of the previous candle, and we have a bullish candle here, so strong potential for a change of trend to the upside. Now, if we do have that change of trend, however, we do need to be aware that we have very strong resistance overhead. And the first amount of resistance that we have is that was created by the gap here at the start of this week's trading. We have a window, and that's what we call a gap in candlestick terms, and they tend to act as areas of support or resistance. And we can see that the market has tested there on 2 occasions and failed to close up through there, so that's a very important level. We also have the bottom of the cloud, and that coincides roughly with the area of the gap or the window. So that is a very, very strong area of potential resistance for this market. This market will need a lot of momentum to trade up through that area. We also have a previous swing high and a minor sell-off here at 74.31. All of these three areas of resistance coinciding within a similar zone, so it will make it very tough for the market to penetrate through that region. We also have potential resistance of it at the Kijun Sen, which is trading at 74.53.5, and at the Tenkan Sen, which is at 74.75. Now, the resistance extends all the way up through the cloud up to about 75.50, so a very strong area of resistance for this market. To the downside, and bearing in mind that we haven't had a change of trend yet, although the short-term dynamics or supply and demand or our reading of who's in the ascendancy, the bulls or the bears, is telling us that the sellers have lost control of this market and the bulls are attempting to take control, so there is a setup for a potential change of trend in the first time frame. Even though that is the case, the trend in the first time frame remains down. We haven't actually had confirmation of that change of trend yet, and we do require confirmation. So we do need to watch the low of the current candle and the previous candle, which roughly about 73.50 or so. And if the market is going to continue trading down, then we don't have a lot of support down below that area until we trade down to around 72.70. We can see here previously it was a very strong area, a lot of indecisive trading. We've tested that region around 72.70 on quite a few occasions, and the market finally bounced off that region in a very bullish way. So if we do end up trading down there, that's a very good area of strong, solid support. So just keep an eye out for that. So for the next trading day, obviously the area around 74.1, where we have this window, is important to around the top of the cloud, around 74.20, but also the low of the current candle and the previous candle at roughly 73.50 is very important for any potential downside.